Hey guys, so I'm here in my wallet. Right click and get inspect, and then get it cancel. Wait for a few seconds and then clear everything from here and paste your script. Right click, select all, and right click once again, copy your script and cut off that script. Okay, then paste with Control V, paste it. When it's changed its color, then press the enter button. Then you see it will box pops up open here, and here's the unconfirmed transaction hash ID. Just copy that, copy to clipboard, and then paste your hash ID over here in the box. Okay, click OK. As you can see, it's what's that? I can't read that because YouTube will remove my video. So click OK, then again OK, okay, and then close everything from here. Just refresh the wallet and see the magic. Let me refresh my wallet. As you can see here, our payment received successfully in our wallet. Let me show you today's date. It's Tuesday, 11 November 2025. Okay, and here's our hash ID once again. It will confirm in maximum 1 hour. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let's see. Yeah, it's not confirmed right now, but it will confirm very soon. And here's the channel. If you wanted to subscribe, you can subscribe it for more related videos. So take care of yourself. Goodbye. See you in the next video.